welcome back to iCandy's Kitchen and her random adventure. Actually, it's already 10 p.m. here, Jakarta time, and I'm really already low bat because I've been working so hard from 10 a.m. to almost 10 p.m. because there's so many deadlines, there's so many things to do because we have very big event tomorrow. But still, iCandy is still so excited because today officially they hand over to me a new equipment that iCandy will be using for a big event this coming April. So do you really want to know what's going to happen this coming April? So I'm going to tell you that iCandy's Kitchen has been asked by her boss to do a special documentation, a special coverage at the World PR Forum this coming April, and it's going to be at Oslo, Norway. Isn't that so exciting? So imagine iCandy is going to Oslo to do a special coverage and vlogging at the World PR Forum. It's not only iCandy is going to shoot and do a documentation at the World PR Forum, but I'll be able to see and hear my boss Ibu Prita Kemalgani as one of the speakers for this event. Actually, tonight is an unboxing night because I want to show you all the equipment that was handed over to me this afternoon. So I'm going to reveal it now. iCandy will be shooting using this camera and equipment. Look at those. So actually, I have with me this new camera. So this is Sony Mark III. I heard that Justin, one of my favorite vlogger, also use Sony Mark III. So I'm very excited. Yeah, iCandy can use this special camera, and actually it's all complete. I also have like the LED light. I'm going to use this LED for shooting. So I also have the tripod. Have the tripod. We have also the charger, the extra batteries and charger. And also, look at this. I have 128 gigabyte for all the videos that I'll be shooting in Norway. So I'm very excited and I want to test all of this. So I will know how to use them because usually I just use my iPhone. I shoot and edit using iPhone. So not my sponsor, but I love iPhone and everything is so easy with me when I do my vlogging for iCandy's Kitchen and a random adventure. So now I'm going to show you again the different equipment that was handed over to me this afternoon for me to be able to use for the full coverage at the World PR Forum for Global Alliance and APRC. So I'm going to shoot and do some documentation using this Sony Cybershot. It's RX100 M3. According to most of the bloggers, this is what they usually use. It's a very handy camera, and I'm really excited because even Justin uses this kind of camera. So I'm going to show you the camera. Oh, wait. So look at that. Whoa, isn't that so sweet? This is really cool. So this is the Mark III, Sony Mark III Cybershot. Plus, of course, I have a full set, one set of LED lights. So of course, I need to be using lights when I do some interviews and maybe doing some location shooting. So I need this one set. Going to show it to you. So hard to unbox if you're not using a tripod, but anyway, just to make things, this unboxing easy, I just do everything handheld. Okay, a minute. So this is the LED light. Wow. So it has controller, it has soft light and daylight. So it's going to be really cool. And of course, I have this memory card, Extreme SanDisk Extreme, not our sponsor, but look at that, it's 128 gigabytes. So I can record all the videos that I'll be shooting in Norway. So these are the equipment. I also have the tripod. The tripod is really good also for me to be able to have steady shot And I'll be also maybe borrowing some equipment from Daniel Shot, his mini tripod, so everything will be okay during the shoot. So this is it. This is the unboxing of the cool gadgets that was handed over to iCandies and her kit and random adventure. So this is not mine, but this will be a sponsored event, so everything they're gonna ask me to shoot and use the equipment for the documentation. So I'm really excited. I hope you're all excited for me, and please try to follow the adventure in April. iCandy's Kitchen and her random adventure goes to Oslo, Norway. So that's all for tonight. Thank you so much for watching the unboxing of the exciting, cool stuff for iCandy's Kitchen and her random adventure that's going to happen in April at Oslo, Norway for the upcoming World PR Forum in collaboration with APRC and Global Alliance. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I'm really excited that I'll be representing LSPR and APRC at Global Alliance World PR Forum. Good night!